Hi, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the weekly crypto tech review. This week we're looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll be looking at the MACDs, the moving averages, the week's support, resistance and pivot levels, and the Fibonacci's. This is the tech analysis for the week ending July 11th. Taking a look at Bitcoin against the US dollar and the daily candlesticks, it's been a bearish start to the week for Bitcoin. Going to see Bitcoin move back through the pivot at 34,859 to take a run at the first major resistance level, sitting at 37,017. Going to need to see support from the broader market, however, for Bitcoin to break out from last week's high, goes at 36,600. So barring an extended rally in the week, expect that first major resistance level to cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally, should see Bitcoin target 40,000 levels before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 38,759. Failure to move back through the pivot would bring the first major support level at 33,117 into play. Barring an extended sell on the week, Bitcoin should avoid sub 30,000 levels. Second major support level at 39,559 should limit the downside. Looking at the MACD, we have a slight narrowing of the bullish histograms at the turn of the week, so look out for a possible bearish cross as the week progresses. On the EMAs, however, more significantly, the 50 continues to pull back from the 100 and the 200, and we're also seeing the 100 close in on the 200, all of this suggesting further downside. So key would be to move back through the pivot at 34,859 and break out from last week's high, 36,600, to bring resistance levels into play. Failure to do that, and support levels will be in play. Moving across to Ethereum against the US dollar, also bearish start to the week. Going to need to see Ethereum avoid the pivot at 2223 to take a run at the first major resistance level, saying at 2489. Support from the broader market is going to be needed for Ethereum to break out from last Sunday's high, 2389.22. So barring an extended rally in the week, expect that first major resistance level and resistance at 2,500 to cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally, should see Ethereum test resistance at the 38.2% fib at 2740 before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 2655. Fall through the pivot would bring the first major support level at 2057 into play. Barring an extended sell-off in the week, Ethereum should avoid sub 2000 levels. Second major support level sits at 1791. Looking at the MACDs, we have a widening of the bullish histograms at the turn of the week, so look out for a further widening to support a further rally through the week. On the EMAs, the 50 has narrowed on the 100 and the 200, but looks like we might avoid a bearish cross, so keep an eye on that through the earlier part of the week. A pull away by the 50 from the 100 would also be a bullish indicator. So key would be to avoid the pivot at 2223 and break through yesterday's high to bring resistance levels into play. Failures to do that and support levels will come into play.